In this video, I'll show you how to spot trending meme coins on Moonshot by Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Dexscreener, right? So this is basically our Dexscreener, and if you want to find the top trending meme coins for you to buy early, so as you can make some profit, some cool profit for yourself, what you need to do at first, you need to be logged into your Dexscreener, right? So I'm attaching the important links in this video description. Now, once I've logged into your Dexscreener, you click on this Moonshot. Okay, this is for Solana. If you want to see Solana pairs, you click on this Solana. Then if you want to see Moonshot pairs, you would click on this Moonshot, right? And wait for it to load. Once it has opened, you would see this trending with a fire streak on it, right? So what I'm going to click on this fire streak. Once I've clicked on this fire streak, you'd be displayed with some options, right? So you can see the top, the rising, the new, the finalized. So you click on this trending, and once I click on this trending, you see the trending meme coins, that is Solana meme coins on Moonshot by Dexscreener at the moment. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.